guys, I got a new espresso machine. I loved my last one, but I didn't love that it lasted less than a year, so I didn't repurchase it. I found this one on Amazon. The name is Jassy. I'm not sure if it's pronounced Jassy or Jazzy, but anyway. It's also very slender, so I do like that. And it also has these buttons that you can customize for 1 shot, how much you want that to be, 2 shots, how much you want that to be. So I have it set for 2 shots is this little cup, just like my other one was. Of course, it comes with this, and I love that it has the little flip up top so that when you're emptying your coffee, the little bowl can't come out. And it, just like my other one, has 2 options. You have the small one and the large one. So I'll be using the large one. And this is the first time I am going to make a latte with it. I've already cleaned it by running water through it. And after I did that, I also just used plain water to customize my settings for this. So it's very clean. And it does come up with your little scoop and tamper. It also has this little thing with it. It's so tiny, you can barely see it. But that is a cleaning tool, it says, for the steamer over here, or the frother, which I never use that. I just heat my milk in the microwave and then use a handheld frother. So I'm going to go ahead and get some coffee here. Okay, and I've already got it on. You can see the lights there are lit up. So all I have to do now that I've customized it is just hit the little button. Okay, and I forgot to say, on the back of it is your water tank. So here is the tank, and you can see at the top of it, it says max fill line, so you want to make sure you're not going above that. And it, of course, has your owner's manual. And this is very thorough. I like the little owner's manual. So I'll hang on to that. And now I'm going to go ahead and microwave my coffee, and we'll just go ahead and make another latte and see if this machine works as good as the other. Of course, to be fair, I have to admit I'm using a different coffee today. Okay, so like in my other video I showed you, I put my milk in this pint jar, and it's just under a ½ cup, and then I add some sweetener, and then I just froth it. And it's just to taste, so if you make this, then you would want to just put a little sweetener in and taste it. If it's not sweet enough, add a little more. I use a sugar-free sweetener. And just froth as much as you want. Okay, and I get my little cup. And then my little sleeve that I made in a video. All right, let's taste it. Very, very good. So this was just a generic, it's actually Walmart's brand of espresso roast dark. It's good. But just that easy, and this is so nice to have at home, and it makes you a nice size cup. You can make it iced if you want, but I prefer it hot. So anyway, I would definitely, so far, give this brand 5 stars. But, I mean, I thought that on the other brand too, and it lasted less than a year. So a year from now, if this is still working, we'll do another video to let you know. We'll do an update. But anyway, you guys have a great day. And if you are looking for an espresso machine, the brand is JASSY from Amazon. Oh, one other thing it came with that I thought was very nice is it recommends that you clean these just like you would a coffee pot, and it came with 2 little packages of the cleaner. So I thought that was very nice of them to include that. All right, so you guys have a great week.